Greetings. In this video I will show you a simple way how to download any picture from a website directly in Google Chrome. This is a fresh Chrome installation. First, let's navigate to an interesting website. That icon looks nice, let's get hold of it. Press F12 to open the Chrome Developer Tools. The first button toggles between the handheld view for mobile devices and the regular PC view. The next tab shows the HTML document structure. Don't mess with this tab. The Sources tab contains some interesting stuff. You can check and grab pictures already here. We will not do that as the next tab will better suit our purpose. Press F5 to reload the website. Notice the different document types. Use the quick filter to filter for particular file extensions. Favicons are usually PNG files. Let's download the favicon. Check the download folder. That was easy. If you liked the video, hit the like button. See you next time.